Let's learn about vitamin A. There are many benefits of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps your vision. How? It improves your night vision, protects your eyes from disease, and keeps them healthy. If you eat foods that contain vitamin A, you'll have healthy hair and skin, strong bones, and teeth. Vitamin A also gives you a strong immune system. Your immune system is like a shield that protects you from getting ill and helps you recover from diseases and helps you get healthy again. You can find vitamin A mostly in fruits and vegetables that are orange or green in color. Fruits and vegetables high in vitamin A include dandelion greens, kale, butternut squash, carrots, and sweet potato. Some other fruits and vegetables that contain vitamin A are dried apricot, cantaloupe, mango, papaya, persimmon, red bell pepper, romaine lettuce, spinach, broccoli, parsley, and basil. Which one's your favorite? Did you know that vitamin A is a fat-soluble nutrient and needs fat to be absorbed better? Plant-based foods that contain fat include nuts, seeds, avocados, and oils. So remember to eat these healthy fats to absorb vitamin A better.